Visible Body Suite is the ultimate health and life science education tool. From finding the 3D models you're looking for, to exploring them using our state-of-the-art interactive tools, here are some tips and tricks to make the most of your VB Suite subscription. Visible Body Suite is a cross-platform subscription app that you can use in a web browser and on your mobile device. While we don't offer a free trial, subscribing is easy and you can cancel anytime. To subscribe on a mobile device, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then open it and press the subscribe button, or sign in if you already have a subscription. Exploring 3D models is simple with our intuitive controls. On a mobile device, use one finger and drag to rotate the model, and use 2 fingers to pan the model around the screen. To zoom out, pinch your fingers closed, and to zoom in, pinch them open. On a computer, left-click and drag to rotate, right-click and drag to pan, and use your mouse's scroll wheel to zoom in or out. We also have a full set of keyboard controls. We'll link to a keyboard controls guide in the description. You can use the settings icon in a 3D view to customize it in several ways, including toggling the reference body on or off. This gives you a helpful way to stay oriented while exploring anatomy when the skeleton isn't in the view. Visible Body offers full male and female models. You can switch between them with the press of a button here in the settings. In the info box, which you can access by highlighting any structure on a 3D model, you can also manipulate the orientation of the model, move it freely in 3D space, or position it on a dissection table in a prone or supine orientation. There are many different ways to add and remove structures from a view. The simplest is the hide and fade tools right in the info box. Use these to remove or fade the structure you've selected. These tools are helpful when you want to see deeper anatomy. If you remove too many structures or want to backtrack, use the undo or reset buttons at the top of the screen. The dissect tool, accessible from the menu at the bottom of the screen, lets you click on structures to remove them. Also in the info box, you'll find the radius blast button, which will add structures in the same region as the structure you've highlighted. Use this to build up regional anatomy and provide more anatomical context. The anatomical hierarchy feature lets you add structures that are part of the same body system, making it simple to study relationships between structures. If you're looking for a specific structure and know its name, use the Anatomy Search tool to highlight it or add it to your view. The Systems tray, which is over on the left side of the screen in Gross Anatomy views, lets you add and remove body systems by layer using the plus and minus icons. You can select a specific region of the body to focus on as well, so you can add and remove anatomy there without affecting other regions. Here are a few other features that will make your VB Suite experience even more amazing. Content search, available via the main menu, is a great way to find what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. Type in a search term like heart, and you'll find a whole library of relevant 3D models, animations, lessons, and more. You can also use menu shortcuts from the Content Search tab of the main menu to navigate to areas of the app with specific content, such as biomechanics, pathologies, and fascial compartments. To refine what you can see within a specific menu section, like human anatomy or biology, use the text box to filter content by name or the toggles to filter by type. Use Compact View to minimize the info box when you're looking at a 3D view. This is great for mobile, especially on a phone where you have less screen space to spare. Lastly, you can save 3D views as well as any tours or flashcards you make to your favorites and access them across devices. Just log in with your account on web or mobile, and you can access your library of personalized learning content anywhere. That's all for now. Check the links in the description for more tips and tutorials. To learn more about Visible Body Suite, visit visiblebody.com/VBSuite.